Oganda jo Kenya omed jiw mondo odagi gi jogo man gi kit ng'ol mopogore yo makare. Kwayo ma kamano gole kinde nyasi mar puonjo oganda jo Kenya ewi ng'ol mar obwongo mar autism manoriko bagi kar tiegruok ma Kenya Institute of Special Education mayudore e boma ma Nairobi. E kinde nyasi no manokelo migepe mopogore makedo ne ratich jogo mong'ol, jorit jogo mong'ol olero moko kuom pek magikaloe kaluwore gi nok mar lakteche mathiedho kit ng'ol mopogore e pacho ka.
This year we've added a little bit of a twist to it because it's a conference that is open to people with autism, families, advocates, experts, clinicians, healthcare professionals across Africa to attend and to learn a bit more and to share some of the research and projects going on to create awareness about autism in Africa. But this year we've decided to do something a little bit different by incorporating epilepsy awareness to the week.
I think the most important thing is to make sure our schools, children, and also our adults are taught first aid, the basic first aid, so that in case you get anybody having a seizure anywhere, you can easily treat them without making it more worse.
There is a very big problem when it comes to the health practitioners or specialists that can help us in treatment of epilepsy. When we talk about epileptologists, we only have 2 in the country, and they are being helped closely with neurologists, who again are not so many. So at the ratio of the numbers that we are talking about against the doctors that can help, really that is a concern, and that's why we keep urging even the government to look into these gaps.
Wadhikadho wadnam chumbi kama cheno mar chiwo tiegruok mar rwako kod chuny achiel jogo ma ong'ol e kind oganda ochakore ayanga e kaunti ma Kilifi. Ma timore kaluwore kod medruok mar thoth lwenje mag udi kod rocho ratiro mag joma ong'ol. Oyangore ni familia man kod nyithindo man mong'ol kale matek kotenore kod akwede. Apisas ma kaunti ma Kilifi kod jombetre mamoko telie chenro kod ote makende madhi nyime e alwora ma Mtwapa.
Kienda huko vijijini unapata mtoto ako kwa nyumba tu, atolewi hata nje aone hata hilo jua. Saa zingine mzazi anakuambia huyu hatembei, nitabeba nipelekane naye wapi? So tunaketi na yeye tunalimisha mzazi, na tumeona sasa hivi wameanza kujitokeza. Hata mzazi atakupigia, Madam Scholar, kuna mtoto fulani nimemwona mahali fulani.
Uonekani kama kitu. Tena naweza kwenda katika mikutano fulani, unaona watu hawakoni vizuri, wanaona kama huyu mama anaweza kuwa labda akatupea uchawi wake hivyo. Kwa hivyo kuna mambo mengi ambayo tutapitia tukiwa na situations za watoto wakiwa katika hali hii.
If we don't stand for ourselves na tuseme enough is enough, hatutatoboa. Unapata sasa kama viongozi mara nyingi kukiwa kuna jambo ambalo linafanywa la kikatiba, mlemavu atatafutwa na awekwe mbele kwa sababu kuonekana kuna inclusivity. Onekane kwamba kama ni shirika linajali mlemavu, lakini ukweli ni kwamba anawekwa pale kama kigezo tu cha kujaza constitution inaonekana imetimia.